Welcome to a new era of building and construction, where technology and innovation are making significant strides in the industry. From advanced tools and machinery to smart management systems and sustainable practices, these 10 construction technologies have undeniably reached a new level. Each technology we discuss in this video is making a monumental impact, redefining what we thought was possible in the construction world. Strap in and get ready to explore the future of construction as we know it. Number 10. Screed. Screed, a cutting-edge innovation in the construction industry, is not merely a new tool. It's a revolution in how we approach concrete leveling. Constructed with lightweight and sturdy materials, Screed is paving the way towards a more efficient and less labor-intensive method of screeding. The device is defined by its high-speed spinning action, which, rather than relying on the manual labor or gravity-based techniques of traditional screeding, creates a centrifugal force that effectively drives the dispersion of concrete, resulting in a smooth, level surface. It's a tool that's both ergonomic and easy to operate, making it a viable option for large-scale construction projects and smaller domestic tasks alike. Screed provides excellent results, saving precious hours on the job and reducing the wear and tear on workers. The utility of this technology isn't limited to merely reducing physical strain, though. With its capacity to reduce the amount of concrete used by up to 10%, it offers environmental benefits as well. Plus, the enhanced precision that the tool provides improves overall quality, reducing the need for costly and time-consuming repairs or adjustments post-construction. Screed represents a significant leap in construction technology, heralding a future where job sites are safer, more productive, and more efficient. In a world that's increasingly conscious about sustainable practices and the health and well-being of workers, Screed is a game-changer, embodying the perfect blend of functionality, efficiency, and innovation. Number 9. Precast Concrete Box Culvert. The precast concrete box culvert technology is a stellar advancement in the construction of highways, railways, and waterways. Traditionally, such structures have been built on-site with significant investment in time, labor, and materials. However, with the precast technology, concrete box culverts are now manufactured off-site in a controlled environment, ensuring uniform quality and then transported to the construction site. This allows for faster and safer installation, saving both time and cost. The precast culverts are resilient and durable, having undergone stringent quality checks and precision manufacturing, thus enhancing the longevity of the infrastructure. As a result, this technology supports sustainable practices with reducing material wastage and increased overall efficiency, thereby leaving a significantly smaller carbon footprint. Number 8. Certus. Certus is a groundbreaking digital solution that brings intelligent automation and connectivity to the construction industry. It streamlines processes, making them quicker, more accurate, and consistent, leading to better decision-making and project outcomes. The platform integrates all aspects of construction, from design to on-site operations, through a cloud-based system. This provides all stakeholders, architects, engineers, contractors, and project managers with access to real-time data and updates, facilitating transparent communication and collaboration. With its powerful analytics and reporting capabilities, Certus enables precise tracking of project progress and offers insightful predictions to manage risks and mitigate potential issues. The tool is a step towards the future of construction management, where technology drives efficiency, quality, and sustainability. Number 7. VELUX EWR Flashing Insulating Set XDP Thermo. VELUX EWR flashing, paired with the Insulating Set XDP Thermo, is a novel solution designed to improve the energy efficiency and waterproofing of roof windows. This technology innovation offers double benefits. The EWR flashing ensures a tight seal between the roof window and the roofing material, preventing water leakages and drafts, while the XDP Thermo enhances the window's thermal insulation. Together, they provide an excellent barrier against external weather conditions, thus ensuring the comfort and safety of the interiors. Moreover, by minimizing heat loss, this system significantly contributes to energy efficiency, helping reduce heating costs and environmental impact. The VELUX EWR flashing and Insulating Set XDP Thermo thus represents a fusion of performance, resilience, and sustainable design in construction technology. Number 6. SOLIDOR Solaswitch. SOLIDOR Solaswitch is an ingenious product that merges architecture with smart technology. It's a self-powered wireless light switch that uses energy harvesting technology to generate the power it needs to function, eliminating the need for wires or batteries. The innovative Solaswitch helps in creating flexible and efficient lighting systems in buildings. Since it can be easily installed and moved without the need for rewiring, it offers enormous flexibility in interior design and space utilization. The use of SOLIDOR Solaswitch significantly reduces installation time and material costs, making it a valuable asset in modern construction. By eliminating the need for constant battery changes, this technology also minimizes waste, aligning with the push for greener and more sustainable building practices. SOLIDOR Solaswitch is more than a product. It's a forward-thinking concept that redefines how we interact with our living and working spaces. Number 5. Effisus Bolt Protect. Effisus Bolt Protect is a state-of-the-art construction solution designed to ensure the longevity and safety of bolted connections, particularly in challenging outdoor environments. It offers a corrosion-resistant layer for bolts, minimizing the damage caused by weather elements such as moisture, humidity, and salinity. What sets Effisus Bolt Protect apart is its simple and quick application process, providing a seamless, watertight shield around the bolt, thereby securing the structural integrity of the connection. This innovative protection system improves the sustainability and durability of construction projects, reducing the frequency of maintenance checks and replacements, and ultimately leading to significant cost savings over time. Number 4. Excel Joint. Excel Joint is a breakthrough in the field of concrete construction, redefining the way concrete expansion joints are managed. Traditional expansion joints often lead to issues such as water seepage and structural cracks due to thermal expansion and contraction. Excel Joint technology solves this problem by providing a durable, high-performance joint system that absorbs movement and prevents seepage effectively. Its unique design allows for a seamless integration into any concrete structure, ensuring the joint's efficiency while maintaining the aesthetic appeal of the construction. With Excel Joint, building safety and longevity are significantly enhanced, making it an integral part of modern construction technology. Number 3. Effisus Stopper. Effisus Stopper is an ingenious construction technology that promises airtight and watertight seals for cable and pipe penetrations. Its design allows for a highly adaptable seal that can accommodate a variety of diameters, reducing the risk of leaks or air infiltration significantly. The Effisus Stopper is simple to install and extremely durable, providing long-term protection against environmental elements and structural movements. With its exceptional sealing capabilities, this technology offers a cost-effective solution for enhanced energy efficiency and building resilience, addressing the increased demand for sustainable and high-performance construction practices. Number 2. Lift Hoist. The lift hoist, a valuable tool in the construction industry, is a testament to the advancements in construction equipment technology. It's designed to elevate heavy materials and personnel to various heights, enhancing productivity and safety on construction sites. The device comes equipped with state-of-the-art safety features, including safety brakes and limit switches, reducing the risk of accidents and equipment damage. The lift hoist design is not only sturdy but also versatile, allowing it to be used in a variety of construction scenarios, from skyscrapers to underground structures. By providing a safe and efficient method of vertical transportation, the lift hoist is instrumental in increasing the pace of construction and reducing labor costs. Number 1. Geoplast New Elevetor. Geoplast New Elevetor is a cutting-edge solution for creating ventilated crawl spaces in buildings. This technology significantly improves the structural integrity and insulation properties of a building. The Geoplast New Elevetor system replaces traditional methods of crawl space construction with a more efficient, modular design that allows for speedy installation. Its innovative configuration promotes ventilation, which helps prevent issues like dampness and mold, enhancing the durability and hygiene of the building. Furthermore, the system's ability to distribute load evenly offers excellent structural stability, ensuring the safety of the construction. The Geoplast New Elevetor system showcases a new era in construction technology, combining speed, safety, and sustainability in an innovative package. And there you have it, the top 10 construction technologies that are revolutionizing the industry, making processes more efficient, safer, and more sustainable. Each innovation we've explored today is paving the way to a future where construction is quicker, more cost-effective, and less detrimental to our environment. If you've enjoyed this journey into the future of construction, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. And remember, these technologies are more than just looks. They're game changers, leading us into a future where the seemingly impossible becomes possible.